Hi, welcome to week one. This week we're going to take a look at the differences between high school and college and the expectations that are going to be placed upon you as you enter college. It is a drastic change from what you're used to. To go over more of that, there is a PowerPoint included that gives slide-by-slide comparisons of high school and college expectations. We are also going to have a poll question, which many of you may have already noticed, and that one, more or less in these poll questions, we're looking for just kind of some brief information from you. What will college be like? Will it be like high school, yes or no? I'm trying to get a feed on what you guys feel this is going to be. There are also a couple of assignments moving forward. We're going to have you watch a couple of videos that cover some expectations from the point of view of students who've already started their initial college career. Some advice, sometimes just observations they've made, but these are going to be beneficial to you just in the aspect of hearing it from somebody else that's going through it rather than an instructor who's explaining these differences. This is real world differences coming from them. Also, we're going to be writing a paper during this week. That paper will include a couple of the changes between high school and college. You can cover this as expectations you were prepared for. Maybe these are two things you didn't expect to be different, and they were. We're going to offer a Google Hangout on Wednesday evening this week, so that as you get going, we can talk a little bit more about some of the questions that may have arose just in general during week one, but also we'll have time to talk about the papers in particular and clarify maybe some misconceptions you guys have moving forward during the week. After the Google Hangout, your paper needs to be posted to our discussion board. That can be pasted right in or a link to your paper, however you prefer. And then by Sunday, you need to review another classmate's paper. This is our first peer edit and review. We do this because it gets you guys familiar with each other, and it also gives them the chance to have an edit done on their paper from a different point of view than their own before they have to hand in that final draft to me. Now that final draft will be due Wednesday of next week, so I'll give you 3 days to get any changes your classmates might have suggested that you want to utilize, changed, and then submit. In general, this is going to be our first week. It's going to start flying by. So we'll have that Google Hangout again. That'll be Wednesday for the Google Hangout to discuss the class as a whole as well as our paper. And then we'll go into the posting of your paper to the discussion board by that Friday, and that you guys have until that Sunday to post your reply to another student's paper. And then you'll have that next Wednesday when you have to hand that paper into me. If you have questions, again, I'm available through any of the methods we discussed. Email is probably going to be your easiest, as I can answer that throughout the day on my phone and try to get you a timely response. You can also give me a call, though. I'm always available, and we'll try to respond as quick as possible. Again, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy.